Actril Cold Sterilant is an industrial EPA-registered disinfectant that is a mixture of 1% hydrogen peroxide and 0.08% peracetic acid. It is designed for disinfecting surfaces in commercial environments such as hospitals, clean rooms, labs, schools, factories, and offices. Actril's Cold Sterilant 6-liter product offering ships in 6 1-liter containers. The disinfectant is ready to use out of the bottle and can be applied to metals, plastic, or elastomers. Be sure to follow these simple guidelines before applying Actril to any surface. With optional spray head, you can turn the 1-liter bottle into a point-of-use spray bottle. After spraying the product on surfaces, use a cloth to evenly distribute the product. Make sure to leave the surface wet so it can air dry. Actril is biodegradable and requires no special disposal instructions. It can even be poured down the drain. Actril produces no toxic vapors, unlike alcohol-based disinfectants. Rather, it produces a temporary vinegar-like smell which is not harmful to inhale. Actril disinfectant can be used to effectively kill the following microbes at the listed efficacies. Actril Cold Sterilant's shelf life is 1 year in the original unopened bottle. It will last up to 5 days when poured over Chemflex wipes and up to 14 days in reusable soaking stations. Actril indicator test strips are recommended for ensuring a minimum of 500 parts per million effective concentration. Cantel offers Actril Cold Sterilant and related products in the following options. To purchase Actril Cold Sterilant, please follow the link in the video description. To learn more about Actril, please call 1-855-737-4717 or visit www.valen.com. Thank you.